Alright, so some more footage from last weekend's run over at the DroneZone. This time it's with the Hexa. Pumped, finally got a chance to put some TLC into this guy and replace that one motor that I was having issues with. I'm running, is it 1806 2300 kV motors. Well, anyways, I had one that was causing me issues, wasn't always firing, like arming ultimately. So I had issues with that a couple of weeks ago, so I figured it'd be time to replace it. So we put a new one in there. It seems to be flying just fine. This is one of my original FPV rigs. I've always liked to keep it up and running with the rest of the crew. I'd have to say it's probably the one that I'm the most comfortable with anyways. So yeah, successful run. Luckily for us, as always, right? Everything's mostly padded, so all the little smashes that I've had have landed and not caused much in the way of carnage. We ended up moving up that gate. It was a little bit close to that one trampoline, so I did hit that at the end, but ultimately worked out fine. So this, I guess, will be the last bit of footage I get from the DroneZone for maybe a week and change. This weekend I'm not going to be heading out on Saturday, but I will be getting some outdoor footage, so we'll see how that goes. What else? The Emax needs a little bit of TLC, or the Nighthawk should I say, before we fly. So we'll have the Hexa out for sure. The 160 diatone, that's a quick fix. I gotta repair the antenna on that. Just resolder one of the antenna or solder joints on there on one of the clover leaves. And what else? Yeah, so we should have at least, oh yeah, and the SRX 110. That guy's always ready to run. So we'll have probably 4 quads out and ready to run. So we'll leave you with that, guys. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe.